Add the sauce right on top.
What's up, ketchup? Today we're gonna make kare fried rice.
We're going to use beef shank instead of oxtail because it's way more affordable. You want to salt your shanks generously and then sear them on both sides until they're browned. Then you want to add about 6 to 8 cups of water and bring it to a simmer, then put a cover on it. And you want to cook it until it's tender, about an hour or so. Make sure to remove the beef and reserve the broth. Once it's cool to the touch, remove it from the bone and have the marrow as a snack. Cut the shank into bite-sized pieces and remove any of the gristle. Mince some garlic, cut up some shallot, and separate the greens and the whites of the bok choy. Cut the whites into small dice and chiffonade the greens. Trim the ends of the green beans and cut them into half-inch pieces. Cut the Asian eggplant in half and cut it into half-inch pieces. Warm up your broth and season it with garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. And we can't forget the peanut butter. Give it a good mix. Add a cornstarch slurry and stir it while it comes to a boil to thicken the sauce. Just like that. Shallow fry your eggplant until they're golden brown. Now let's saute the shallots and garlic. Add the green beans, bok choy whites, and bagoong, and stir fry that for about 2 minutes. Now you want to add your beef and your day-old rice. Stir fry till everything is warmed through, then season with some salt and pepper. Add the eggplant back in along with the chiffonade bok choy greens. Cook it for about a minute and then plate it into a nice big bowl. Use the back of a spoon to create a well.